Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fahmi bin Azhar from Dam 3B. My metric number is 16 BEM 19F1028. Today I will make a video for assignment 3 for Communicative English 2. So let's go. Okay, you can see the picture, the washing machine. You can see that. Now I will tell you about simple step to wash clothes in using this machine. There must be many who have this washing machine at home. Also, you can saw this machine on Jamsis. Nowadays, in 2020, this washing machine is considered as a necessity for us. This is because washing clothes manually, which is hand wash, is very slow and tiring for us. So this machine was created to lighten the load and reduce our time to wash the clothes. The way this washing machine works is very fast and clean from using hand, then take a long time to clean the clothes. I will show you the flowchart how to use washing machine properly. Okay, now you can see the flowchart how to use a washing machine properly. So first start. After that, we can load the washing machine with our clothes and laundry detergent. So after that, push on the button. Next, the control panel will turn on light. If yes, press start the button. Wait for 30 minutes for the clothes wash and strain. After 30 minutes, you are ready to remove clothes that will wash early. And that is simple step. If the control panel is not turn on light, your washing machine is broke. So you should go repair or buy a new one. And that's it. The simple how to use the washing machine properly. Okay, goodbye.